sorry if I have a bit of a lisp. I have started to wear clear, like, Invisalign liners, so I sometimes have a bit of a lisp, so you'll have to forgive me. Today, I'm going to be filming a box opening on these amazing little figures. These are vinyl figures, but they're covered in flocking fuzzy material, and I had to search far and wide to find these in stock. I ended up having to buy them from like Thailand or something. They're really hard to find now. But this one comes in like a little Spam can. It's really, really cute, and you can get all of those inside. It's like a blind box deal. And then I also got this, which is like a full case of them. Where are they? Here they are. So there's the 5, and then there's one secret in here somewhere. But I think first we will open the Spam can and see what is inside. So let's open her up. Inside are, it looks like 3 pigs. And then just the cute little can, which I'll put on display. Oh, I should have brought scissors. I think I have some right here. Yep. Stab through here. If you don't know, I also collect vinyl figures. Not very many because they're expensive, and I have other things that prioritize them. But I do on occasion find a set of vinyl figures that I want, and I will purchase them. So here's the first one. He's like laying down, and they're real fuzzy and cute. The next one is this one. He is flat, like he landed on his face. So he has a little flattened piggy face. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I love it. And then the last one. I did not want to cut the pig by accident, especially after what I had to do to get these. The last one is just a fluffy little pig laying on his belly. Oh, so cute. I love him. And now we will open the big box. Inside there are, it looks like 12 boxes that look like little cans. And the boxes look like this. The artwork is really, really cute. These are called Lulu Light, and they're by a certain artist, Toy Zero. And they're by Cece's Story. So I guess Cece is the designer of the pigs. I really don't know. I can't even pretend like I know. I know that I should not rip these like this, but I'm going to because I don't really care. And I know I'm going to get a lot of doubles as well. So I'm going to have a bunch of pigs. This one is the same as this one, so I got 2 of those. But the thing is, you are guaranteed a full set with these when you buy a full case. And so I'm not that concerned. There is another set of vinyls that I really want, and they are called Kenneth the Fox. And so it's another set of little foxes, kind of like this. This is a sitting piggy. Really cute. Oh, they're so adorable. I love them. I need to get like a special shelf for these guys or something. I feel like I shouldn't open all of these on camera because there's a lot of them, but oh, this one looks like this. Look at that little leg all stretched out. So cute. These were for sale on some American websites, but they sold out really, really fast, and I did not get them in time, unfortunately, so I had to go through other means. Now, I still don't think they're back in stock. I don't know if they ever will be. So it looks like this. I already got this one too. really want to find the secret one. Have I found all the designs? Because if I have, no, I'm missing one. I'm going to say if I have, I'm going to skip to the part where I find the last one. The secret. Okay, here's the last of the designs, I think. So I think I will stop here and then I will cut to the part where I find the secret one. So I'll be back in a minute, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so I opened all of them. I got several repeats. I got like 3 of these and a couple of these. Oh my gosh, though, they're so adorable. I absolutely love them. But I got, whoop, I swear I drop something in every video. I get excited but I actually got 2 special ones. I didn't know that this one existed until I checked the internet and I was like, oh, this is a really secret special one. This one has hearts on it, on its front and back. This is a very, very rare special edition, so I'm really excited about that. But then I also got this one, and I think it actually smells like chocolate, and it's a little chocolate covered one with sprinkles. Oh, he's so cute. I love him, and I think he's supposed to like hang off of the side. Now, which one is my favorite? I think I really like this one that has flattened face. I think he's really cute, and I just love that he's flattened out. But I also like these 3, I think. I don't know, they're all so cute. Their little legs and their little pudge, and I love how they have like little blushing on their bum. And it's just so cute. I love him. So that is that, guys. I waited all week to open these with you, and it was really hard because I really wanted to open them. I'd love to put them in my stories. They're the perfect size to go with my dolls, so we will see if I can come up with a cute little story to go with them. I think I'm going to make one more video today, opening another little thing that I got the other day, and I will talk to you guys very, very, I'm lisping, I'm sorry, very, very soon. Bye, guys!